from 1,000 plus units sold of Terror XI in 2025. In less than 1 year, to eBay Exporter of the Year 2025 award winner. TYPHON machinery recognized for global growth. Excellence in cross-border trade. Now, introducing TYPHON KUVUO 4.0 2-4-ton mini excavator with cabin. Comfortable cabin, AC, heater and full hydraulic control. Powered by a reliable 25 HP Kubota D1703 diesel engine. Metal tracks for durability, security traction and stable operation, versatile across job sites and weather condition, construction, landscaping, farming, tight space projects, land clearing, low speed of 2.4 kilometers per hour and high speed of 4.2 kilometers per hour. 0. Tail swing for safe rotation in tight spaces. Advanced hydraulic systems which delivers responsive, efficient power across all tasks and working conditions. 79 liter per minute of system flow to provide rapid response. Boom swing to enhance maneuverability in tight spaces. 18.2 kilonewtons boom force and 30.4 kilonewtons bucket force, along with a digging depth of 3,106 millimeters. Advanced hydraulic system delivering fast, precise, and efficient power across all working conditions.